defensively. Hernandez atop the formation as well can provide some attacking presence for the Red Wolves. The defense has been stout for Naples as well. Breck Evans, Jake Dangler, two League One veterans anchoring that back line. Chris Heckenberg. Again, the second meeting of the season between Chattanooga and Naples. And away we go. A noon kick. Naples, the first-year club, looking to 7 inches of rain already this month in Chattanooga. Here's Ramos, working central. Dumps it off for Ayambilla, fresh off of that yellow card. Ayambilla plays it ahead. And offside netting for another goal kick for Delgado. Glasser plays it ahead. That ball just dies down. Again, I can see the strategy early on. I just think both sides will probably have to revert to just bombing it long, playing a bit more direct. It'll be very difficult to build through the midfield. Chattanooga looking for a handball call and does not get one. Here's Farine, the goal scorer in the previous match between these sides. That is played along, testing Smith off his line. Oh my! What a goal! A stunner for Naples, and it's Jaden Onan, the Tottenham, England native, who puts his side in front. Why not have a go? Unreal. As we look at our Rodriguez family dentistry replay, Onan from way downtown tucks it in. We said how tough it is just to build to the midfield, so why not? A key cog in this Naples squad, has played every minute this season. Al Hassan goes down. And a free kick on the way for the home side. A look back at this last moment for Chattanooga. Al Hassan brought it in initially, but just lost his footing. And you certainly can't blame him. A waterlogged pitch, making conditions extremely difficult today. Wynan Wessels, who made his season debut last match on Saturday against Richmond. Curls one ahead. Headed to the edge of the area, low strike. Turned away, Hernandez controls. Hernandez lets it fly. And it will be a goal kick for Delgado. Pedro Hernandez, the veteran Chattanooga man, his 4th year with the club, the Chula Vista, California native. Hasn't scored yet this season, but can provide some attacking firepower, and that's been one of the question marks for Chattanooga this season. Losing 23 goals from last year, just 3 goals from last year's team back on the 2025 roster. An overhaul for Scott McKenzie and company. Coming for Chattanooga. Final 5 minutes of this first 45. Check that, it will be Naples. Curran quickly in. Henderlong into space. Henderlong's feet broken up. Here comes a surging Ramos. Joshua Ramos, bit of a stumble, stays on it. Wessels. Popped in by Kinsner. And blasts it away. Al Hassan surges ahead. Al Hassan leaves it off. Walefi cycles it around. Here goes Ramos. Ramos rolls, and it's tapped in. Pedro Hernandez equalizes. We are level at 1. Ramos to Hernandez, both with muddied faces, unfazed by the elements. Walefi able to cycle around, and then Ramos using that quick first step, and Hernandez, clinical finish in the right spot. Just a Knapp nearly gave it away. He does give it away. Farine leaves it central. Henderlong turned away. Second try, no. Michael Knapp getting in front. What an effort by the center back. And that trickles out for a goal kick. And there is the whistle. We have played one half on this waterlogged pitch. A noon kick. Hernandez, the goal scorer. It's a warm round of applause, and he will exit in favor of Matt Bentley, another proven goal scorer. Body Armor is the official sports drink of the Chattanooga Red Wolves. Here's Al Hassan. Another ball that catches a puddle. Hassan able to keep it in play. Young player for Chattanooga, works it ahead. Comes to Ramos. Ramos, low strike! Oh! Inches wide. Joshua Ramos. It all started with a hustle by Al Hassan. Poor header away by Evans. Oh, Ramos splits the wickets in just a tad wide. Here is Ramos, lovely skill. Still surging on Cisneros. And wins the free kick right around the midline. Quickly put into play by Hernandez. Here comes Bentley. Bentley turned away. Delgado off his line. And it will be a corner. Check that, last came off of Bentley, a goal kick. We'll see, oh yeah, off the deflection. Came off of Bentley, but stellar goalkeeping by one of the premier keepers in this league, in Lalo Delgado. Gomez ball, tracked down by Al Hassan. Al Hassan into the area. And it will be a corner. Al Hassan continues to be dangerous for Chattanooga. A welcome sign for a squad that is trying to find that attacking success. Scott McKenzie said his team is going in the right direction in that regard. Upper portion of the league, top half of the league in terms of chances created, but they have to be more clinical. Just 7 goals this season, including the one today. Chance to add to that tally here. Elevated ball towards the back post, headed down, still loose, and it trickles in. Michael Knapp, is that the winner? It's an unlikely man, but it's his first goal as a member of Chattanooga. And the Red Wolves have broken through in half number 2. Just a loose ball, and Knapp stabs at it. Omar Hernandez. This ball headed away. Free kick on the way for Naples. The USL Championship and League One are on CBS Sports and ESPN platforms all season long. Catch live matches and expert analysis every day on the CBS Sports Golazo Network and ESPN+. Go to USLChampionship.com or USLLeague1.com for the complete USL TV listings. Yellow card against Al-Hassan Al-Hassan. Low clearance, Cerro lets it fly! Smith was ready for it. And Naples' chances continue to come from outside the area. Cerro hit it, may have taken a deflection as well. Smith, who hasn't been called upon much today, comes up with a save in the dying embers of this one. Nearing stoppage time. Last gasp effort for the visitors. Bit of space to work with. Ball crossed in. Knapp heads it away. Distance strike clears the crossbar. It was Heckenberg who hit it. And we have now entered added time.
The fourth official has been indicated that there will be a minimum of 4 minutes added to the time.
Minimum of 4 minutes of added time. Can Chattanooga see this one out? Or will Naples rally back and stay unbeaten on the road? In the area. All or nothing for Naples. Ian Cerro. Readies from the corner flag. Cerro curls it in, fisted away. And now Bentley searches. Bentley in the move. Bentley still going. Tracked down momentarily. Open net. Bentley rolls it in. Chattanooga solidifies 3 points at home. And it's Matt Bentley with his team leading fourth of this season.